what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want.
Just tell me what you want, what you need, what you see, what you wanna be. Tell me everything, think it into being. That's how dreams become the real thing. A model of thinking, a bottle of sinking. I've been coast to coast around this whole globe. I've seen a lot of hope, yeah.
Walang beer.
I've seen a lot of nope, I've seen a lot of growth.
Get, mineral water.
Mineral water. Yeah, that's no fun.
Feel like everything is coming all together at once. I want a good life, good nights, good friends, alright. Make a couple dollars from something I love to do right. Live my young life, girl. Living each day with a good vibe. Tell me what you want, just take a thought and make it happen. The only way to live up in this life is with some passion. Don't let this life just pass you by. Get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought and make it happen.
All horse moon. Ako single. May asawa.
I don't need cash or cars, I need black guitars, I need plaques for art, yeah. I need shooting stars and a few more scars, maybe a few cigars, yeah. I wanna hit all the charts across all the parts, and that's just the start, yeah. I wanna change people's lives for a single night, so listen up, alright. Think of what you want while you dance to this. Your plans and shit, romance or biz, a chance to get whatever you could possibly dream of, could dream up. Think of anything that you need, want a car, a love, a life, a wife, that's right. Start thinking of everything you could need in life and visualize everything, all those dreams and sights on while you sleep tonight and wake up ready to fight it, yeah. Tell me what you want, just take a thought and make it happen. The only way to live up in this life is with some passion. Don't let this life just pass you by. Get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought and make it happen.